Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the network protocol errors in your Minecraft. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows search bar and type cmd or command prompt. Run as the admin. Once you're here, we need to run three specific commands, and I will show you on the screen, and you can just simply follow me. ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Next, config space slash renew. Hit enter. Wait for it. Net sh winsock reset. Hit enter one last time. Then you need to restart your computer. So once you've successfully rebooted your PC or laptop, your Minecraft errors should now be fixed. However, if not, don't worry, we have another solution. Go to your start menu, go and type control panel, left click on it, go to network and internet, click on network and sharing center, choose change adapter settings. Now click on your internet, right click, go to properties, and then you need to select internet protocol version IPv4, double click on that, then click on use the following DNS server addresses, type in 8888, and then over here 8844. Click OK, and then you may also restart your computer if prompted. That's it. That's how you can easily fix the network protocol errors in your Minecraft launcher. I hope you found this video very helpful.